Alright everyone, Cowboy Trades here, welcome back. Just a super quick update. Now, in our previous episode we talked about how we're waiting for that next traumatizing event to come in and finally nuke the markets back down to the downside. And here it is. Now, we had 3 important bits of economic data today. This first one is relatively important but not as important as the 2 other stories, but I will mention it. The UK did just raise their interest rates from 3% by 50 basis points all the way up to 3.5%, further causing, financial conditions to tighten in the market. We obviously had the US raise interest rates the other day, but here's where things get really nasty. US core sales and US retail sales just came in. If we're looking at US core retail sales month over month, they were previously at 1.2% and forecast to drop all the way down to 0.2% today, but they clocked in at negative 0.2, meaning a whole 0.4% miss from consensus while retail sales are going down. Now, if we're looking at just general US retail sales month over month, this was previously clocking in at 1.3%, forecast to drop all the way down to negative 0.1%, and it came down to negative 0.6%, meaning a 0.5% miss as retail sales plummet through the floorboards. Now, I talked about this quite recently, but this is really the last of the economic data that we've got coming in for the rest of the year. There's not really any economic data of any importance that's going to be coming out into next year, so we really are left with a sour taste in investors' mouths now. Retail sales are dropping, financial conditions are tightening, and the retail sales dropping is the biggest monthly drop since December of 2021. So like I said, just a super quick video, just thought I'd update you on this. As you can see, Bitcoin dropped about 1.25% in about half an hour after this, and it's currently sitting down about minus 1% since the news came out. Tiny dead cat bounce, bear flag, hit the EMA ribbons, and it looks like we're turning tail back down to the downside. And you can see for the S&P 500 as well, it broke down about negative 0.65%, and it's currently residing at negative 0.53% after retesting EMA ribbons and heading down into new lows. So like I said, just a super quick video. We were waiting for that next traumatizing event. We don't have any more economic data of any importance coming in for the rest of the year. So coming into the end of 2022 and coming into Q1 of 2023, this economic data is probably going to make the markets bleed down to lower price targets. It's finally here. As always, it's been your boy Cowboy Trades. I'm out. Peace.